Today we're doing a sensory art with rice. For this exercise, you're going to need a couple of Ziploc bags, just rice of any kind, a little bit of vinegar and food coloring. I've got 4 kids doing this craft right now, so we've got all of our bags going. We're going to be putting a little bit of vinegar into each bag, and we're going to show you what we're going to do after. There he goes. That's a little bit too much. We just need a little bit of vinegar.
We'll mix it around.
He's putting it in right now. You can get a little bit more. This boy is being careful. He's using a cap. Into the bag of rice. Very good. And we're just repeating this process and shaking the rice around with the vinegar. He's closing up his bag. He's beginning to shake it. This is the part where you could be extra creative with your colors. Be very careful. The best coloring that actually works is gel color, but I don't have that right now. It does affect the color depending on how bright you want it to be. So I could see that this boy is using 2 colors. What colors are you trying to make today?
Like a lightish green.
Okay, let's see how you do that. What color are you going for?
Red.
Okay, we're going for the light green.
Look, I need it.
Super fun. And now we're going to shake that bag around. He's shaking his bag around, trying to make all the color seep through every grain. Shake it up. So we're just leaving our rice to dry. We just need a couple of hours before we can bake. It's time to start playing. The rice is finally dry, and let's see what this little boy is going to be doing now. 1, 2, 3, go. Highly satisfying.